So hi and welcome to our Checkpoint API video series. I'm Modar, your guide to the powerful capabilities of the Checkpoint API. Whether you are new to network automation or looking to enhance your skills, this series will provide all the knowledge you need. We will start with the basics and gradually move to the advanced topics, ensuring that by the end you will confidently use the Checkpoint API to streamline your network management tasks. Our focus will be on the management API and the Gaia API. So let's get started. So to begin, we need to ensure that our server is up and running. So here is our management server. After logging in, check its status using the command for API status. So we log in here and command API status. It should show a successful status like here, but now it's failed. If you restart the server, observe that upon loading, it initially fails like this. Allow some time until it successfully initializes. So now after a while we can check again with the same command API status. And now it should be successful because it took some time, and all that depends on how many cores did you gave your it still failed, so it will take more time. Make it easier for us. We don't need to use this interface, but we can log into Windows and power on the PowerShell command line, and we can log in there. So message admin at 10.00.10. Password. Okay, and here we can test again with API status. So now it stays successful, and only now you can start to use the API commands. And only now you can connect the Smart Console to the management server. You need always to wait this to be successful first, and then you can start working. So at this point we can try our first command, API command. But first thing that we need to do is to log into the API server, and we do that by this command. So mgmt user admin and password admin3, enter. So here we need to add login. Like this. So now we can try our first command, and always when all commands needs to start with mgmt. So mgmt add host name my host IP address 10.10.10. So now the host is added to we can check that on Smart Console, and we can also publish that. So publish mgmt publish like this. Now we can see that progress is 10%. It would take some time, but we can publish that way. And now it's done. And now we can log into Smart Console to check our new created object. And don't be disappointed. While using individual API commands like this might seem slow and tedious at first, it's just the beginning of the journey. As you progress through this series, you will learn how to create objects and scripts with hundreds of these commands. These scripts will automate repetitive tasks and unleash the true power of APIs. You will see a dramatic difference in efficiency and speed compared to using individual commands or using Smart Console. So here in our Smart Console, we can now search for our new created host. Here we are. That is our new created host, published and ready. And finally, I invite you to meet my AI friend Matilda. She will share insights with us. She will provide an inspiring quote that will help us continue our learning journey.
Successful people seek opportunities to help others, recognizing that by doing so, they create positive impacts that ripple outward. Unsuccessful people prioritize their own interests, missing out on the collaborative potential that comes from selflessness and mutual support.
So, a big thank to you, to Matilda, for sharing her helpful quote with us today. It will be definitely a valuable asset as we continue our journey. Thank you all for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.